In today's video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about the Broque Ramdisk Tool. Whether you're looking to unlock your iPhone or bypass iCloud via the serial changing method in purple mode, it's totally free. So here's the plan. I'll explain each step in detail, starting with how to download and set up the Broque tool and the essential 3U-Tools software. Then we'll dive into adding RAM disk files to the Broque tool, which is a crucial part of this process. After that, I'll show you how to use the tool to change your iPhone's serial number, and finally, we'll get to the big one, bypassing iCloud for iPhone models 5S through X completely free of charge. Sounds good? Great. Let's jump right in. All right, step 1 is downloading and installing the tools. I've included the download links in the video description, so go ahead and grab those. You will also need to download and install 3U-Tools and iTunes. You can download 3U-Tools from its official website. Once you finish installing 3U-Tools, it will ask for Apple drivers or iTunes installation. It's better to install iTunes. Download and extract the Broque tool files from the zip directory. As you can see, I am placing these files on the desktop. After installing 3U-Tools, iTunes, and extracting the Broque Ramdisk Tool, we will need to register our phone's ECID in the Broque tool to continue. You can watch my previous video about how to register ECID free for the Broque Ramdisk Tool if its server is not available. The video link is up here. Next up is adding boot files to the Broque tool. Once you connect your phone with the PC as it's shown in 3U-Tools and the Broque tool, choose Hello Bypass Ramdisk by clicking on Options and then click on Start. Here you can see in the Options menu it is asking to select version. Just click here to download boot files. It will navigate you to the boot files download page. Here we will choose the right boot file, the same as our device's model and iOS version. First, go to the correct iOS version folder. Like mine is 16.7.10. So I will open the iOS 16.4x boot folder. In this folder, I will choose the same boot file as my device model is showing in the Broque tool. After that, we will need to download the compatible Diag or purple mode file for our device. Follow these instructions. Download and then copy both Diag and boot files, and then paste them into the Broque tool >lib boot folder. All right, now that we've got the tool and files ready, let's start bypassing our Apple device. First, we will need to generate its activation ticket while the phone is on the Hello screen. Simply click on Options in the Broque tool. Choose Generate Activation Ticket. If you face any error while generating activation files, try Server 2. If you still face the same issue, then your device's serial might not support activation data. So you will need to change the serial with a compatible serial using the Broque tool. Simply come back to the Options menu and choose Change Serial, and then click on Start. We will need to put our device in DFU mode to continue. Click on Next, and the phone will boot up in recovery mode. Once the phone boots in recovery mode, click on Start to boot our device in Ramdisk mode. After clicking on Start, immediately hold the volume down and power buttons at the same time. After 4 seconds, release the power button but keep holding volume down until it enters DFU mode. Now, click on Boot to boot your device in Ramdisk mode. Here, keep an eye on Device Manager. Once you see a Libus BK device in Device Manager, just remove the data cable and connect it again quickly. It will show failed, but don't worry. Our device is already in DFU mode. Just come back and click on Fix Drivers to get rid of this Libus BK driver. After fixing, you may need to reconnect the device with the PC again, and then click on Start. Now, clicking on Boot Device will boot your device in purple mode, or you can say Diag Mode. It has successfully booted in Diag Mode. Now, here you must have enabled Test Mode or disabled driver signatures. Otherwise, purple mode drivers will not work. As you can see, the serial port is showing in Device Manager. Now click on Next, click on Refresh, and then choose the right serial port here. After choosing the serial port, click on the Change SN button in the Broque tool. Click Yes on the warning window, and it will immediately change the SN. You don't need a DCSD cable for the iPhone 8. I am not sure about other models. By changing the serial, your phone may get stuck in a boot loop. But no need to worry, simply flash your phone with 3utools or iTunes to revive it. Open 3utools, put your phone in recovery mode by using the power and volume buttons. Go to the Flash tab and click on Download if you haven't already downloaded its latest iOS file. After successfully flashing, you can see we have successfully changed its SN. Now we will try to generate the activation ticket again. Go to the Broque tool, click on Options, choose Generate Activation Ticket, and then click back. Click on Start, and then Generate Files. Now you can see it has successfully generated activation files without any errors. Just ignore the opened folder and continue to the Broque tool. Click on Options, and then choose Hello Screen Bypass, Ramdisk. Come back to the home screen and click on Start to continue. Click Next. Now click Next again to put the phone in recovery mode. Now click Start, and then immediately press and hold the volume down and power buttons. After 4 seconds, release the power button but keep holding volume down. After 7 or 8 seconds, the phone will boot in DFU mode. The next step is to boot the device in DFU mode. Keep an eye on Device Manager. Choose the correct boot file. Like I have chosen 16.4 plus, which is compatible with 16.7.10, and click on Boot Device. Now again, after detecting Libus BK drivers in Device Manager, immediately remove and reconnect the data cable just like we did before. Click OK on the error window. Click Back, Fix Drivers, and then reconnect your device. Click on Start. Choose the correct boot file. Click on Boot Device. Now wait until the device boots in Ramdisk mode. The device is in Ramdisk mode now. Sometimes the device's screen stays black, and sometimes it shows numbers like this. Just don't worry about it. Click on Next. Finally, click on Bypass iCloud. Just wait and watch. iCloud has been successfully bypassed. If you find this video helpful, do like, share on social media, and subscribe to my channel. You can also support me by clicking on the link to buymeacoffee.com. If you are facing issues while creating an Apple ID in 2025, like phone number verification errors, especially in Pakistan, Bangladesh, or other countries where people are not receiving verification codes on their numbers anymore, just wait for my next video. The link will be shown up there.